guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this look. This is giving me like hella prom vibes, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. It helps me out so that I know that you guys are liking what I'm putting out. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them down below. I'm kind of getting to that point to where I'm like, I want to expand out of like the eye looks and do something else, but I don't know what to do. So yeah, leave any video suggestions down below. Anything that you guys want to see, I don't care what it is, just let me know. Shoot your shot. We'll see. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. My brows are done, and I did those with the same Salon Perfect brow pomade I always use, and I just carved my eyebrows out using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Ivory. I'm going to use the same concealer to go in on my eyelids and kind of prime them. I'm just going in and blending this out with my Eco Tool sponge. Very quickly, I'm just going to take some tape and put this on my outer corners. I'm just going in using my Fit Me loose powder to set my lids. I'm going to go straight into the shade right here and throw that in my crease. And I'm taking that shade on a E27. Going back into that palette, I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm going to put that a little bit lower in the crease. I'm just going back in with my E27 and blending those two shadows together. I'm going in with this little tapered fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into the shade right next to the shade we just went into, and I'm going to put that in my crease as well. So today I'm going for a very bold look, so I'm just going to go in with my NYX glitter primer. I'm going to skip the concealer just because I feel like it doesn't do anything whenever I'm covering up my crease anyway. So I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand, and I'm going to start applying it on the first half of my lid because I don't know if I want to do like a full crease or not just yet. So I'm just going to start there. I'm taking my NYX loose glitter in the shade Bronze, and I'm just going to tap it into the lid so that I can get some of the glitter out. And I'm going to take that same M244 that I used to lay that primer down, and I'm just going to pick up some glitter and start stamping this right over that primer. So I am going to extend it a little bit further. I'm not sure how far I want to go. You know what? We're just going to do it. We're just going to go for it. So I'm going to turn this into a full crease, but instead of winging it out, I'm going to just round out that crease. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wing out this glitter just because I don't really like the way the rounded shape is looking on my eye. So I'm just filling in that extra space with primer and going over it with the loose glitter. It's just like once you remove the tape, everything just comes together somehow, some way. Being that my eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and do my base really quickly. I'm not going to do anything else to my eyes until I come back on camera, just because you guys have seen my base done so many times. So to make this video quicker, I'm just going to go ahead and hop off camera, do my base, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my face is on, and I'm looking really weird because I look like I have absolutely no eyelashes. So the first thing that I'm going to do before I move on to anything is put on some mascara. And I'm just using my Maybelline Great Lash. I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line. So I'm going to start by going into this red shade right here. And I'm taking this on a eyeliner brush by e.l.f. And I'm going to kind of stamp this on my lower lash line. I'm going to take this tiny E36 and I'm going to go into this brown right here. And I'm going to use that to blend out that red. And that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not a big lower lash person. You guys will sometimes notice that sometimes I don't even touch my lower lash line just because I put mascara down there anyway and it kind of darkens everything up. So from here, I'm gonna go ahead and work on my inner corner. I'm gonna use the same highlight that I used on my face, which is this shade out of my Profusion Pro Highlight Palette, and this shade is called Beaming. And you see it's just like this really pretty gold shade. So I'm going to take that on an e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just going to go into that shade and carefully place that on my inner corner. If you wanted to, you could also put the glitter in your inner corner. However, I'm not going to do that today because I'm already looking extra as it is. Alright, my inner highlight's done. I'm going to go ahead and put on some falsies. Okay guys, so I've got my lashes on and all I did was put a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and run down what's on the rest of my face just in case you're curious. For primer, I just used my Maybelline Master Prime. After priming, I just went in with my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth foundation. And mine is in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. For bronzer, I just used my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Dolce. For pressed powder, my CoverGirl True Blend, and for setting the high points of my face and my eyelids, I just went in with my CoverGirl Fit Me Loose Powder. For my brows, I used my Salon Perfect Done-in-One Brow Pomade. For my under eye concealer and for priming my lids and carving out my brows, I just used my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Ivory. The lip I'm wearing is a 930 Truffle Tease by Maybelline. I love this lip color. It's like my perfect nude. For my highlight, I used my Profusion Pro Highlight Palette, and I've been obsessed with this thing, you guys. This is the highlight I used today, which is Beaming, and you can just see like it's like this pretty gold color. I highly, highly, highly recommend this highlight palette. So that is all that I used on my face. So yeah, this is the completed look. I really like how it came out. However, I think I'm kind of getting to the point where I'm kind of over like the extra done up looks, because unless you're like me, you guys probably aren't going to recreate these looks. And I mean, that's what I'm putting this on camera for, so that you guys can kind of learn and take from, you know, my looks and kind of be inspired by my looks. But I understand that not everybody is as bold as me. Not everybody is willing to walk out the house like this. So I am going to kind of draw it back in for my next couple tutorials. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.